So I just want to show you something that I bought. I've used it. I would love to recommend it to anyone who has a Tesla Model S or X and is frustrated by the fact that you don't have wireless charging, or maybe, you know, cables are unruly and you want to have wireless charging in your car. After all, even brand new Honda Civics now have wireless charging, and Toyota Camrys. So I'll put the link in the video description below. So what I got was an aftermarket wireless charging kit. It comes in this box, obviously made in China. I bought it off Amazon. It's not expensive. I think it's 60 Canadian dollars, give or take. And I'll show you what's in the box. Now, this is how it fits in the Model S or X. So it's in the center console right here. So you can access it by opening it. Just lay your phone down here and it will charge. Mind you, it must have wireless charging. I couldn't stand this dirt over here. Anyway, yeah, the car needs a good cleaning. So some Ariell wipes. Yeah. So how is it connected? So it's connected here. So I just placed it here. This is the cable, and then I ran it through here. So underneath, you adjust this camera. Underneath this, you can run the USB cable through here. So you can run it through here, fish it through here, and then connect it to, there you go, the USB slot here, and just cover it up so it's much neater. Yeah, I know my car needs a little bit of detailing. What I can say is that it doesn't charge fast. It probably it's slower than having a corded connection, like a regular putting your charger into the USB port, but it's more elegant. You don't need to worry about cables getting tangled up. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to go on our trip now to Edmonton. I'll upload that video soon. That's going to be the next video. So if you like the Topfit QI charger, I have the link in the video description below. If you have any other suggestions for videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I know I haven't posted in a while. I have to get back into the groove of posting videos. Business is really busy and really good. Yeah. So again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.